There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and Coco's Science Show.
Hey guys, welcome to Allie and Coco's Science Show. Today we are going to talk about a current event. We're going to talk about hurricanes. Yes, Colette, they are called cyclones. Hurricanes, cyclones, typhoons, they're all the same thing. They're all called tropical cyclones, but the name changes based on where you live. Now, how do hurricanes form? It's not witchcraft. It's not the wrath of the gods. Yeah, Coco, with science. Let's check it out. So you see all the time on the news, you see high pressure systems and low pressure systems. Colette, what are you eating? Okay, that's fine. And high pressure air always moves into area of low pressure. So these high pressure air molecules are gonna move, they're gonna move down to the low pressure, yeah? So then this low pressure air becomes energized and the air warms up and hot air rises. You see all the time with the tea kettle. You know what I'm saying? You know? Or bacon, steam coming off bacon. So the hot air rises. And the pressure up here, it moves back down. It's like it's a cycle. It's a cycle of air moving. So this is just like a regular, Colette, don't eat that. No, don't eat that. I've got treats in my pocket. How about a treat? Do you want a treat? These are high quality. Once the air rises, it forms clouds, condenses. This is like your regular old rainstorm. You see this high pressure, low pressure system. Really cool. Now hurricanes are like huge rainstorms. Yes, some can be as big as Texas, and the one we just saw, Hurricane Irma, was bigger than the state of Florida. Hurricanes are huge, but they're more than just rain. Yeah, you're right, Colette. Colette, hurricanes require the element of wind. They need that to move forward, and they're actually measured by their wind speed. It's actually pretty cool. Meteorologists will fly over the hurricane, drop sensors in, and feel how fast that sensor's moving. Really cool stuff. Meteorology is cool. So what happens is a storm will form over the ocean, and it becomes it's a tropical depression. Now a tropical storm is when those winds in that storm reach 39 miles an hour. They actually follow a wind scale. So hurricane categories are based on their wind.
So as these tropical depressions, as the movement of particles increases, it can actually lead to more and more and more movement of particles and more rain. It's a positive feedback loop. So more movement leads to more movement, leads to more movement, to more movement. Yeah, okay.
Anyways, as the wind speeds increase, you have a tropical storm, and then you have a hurricane. And the way these hurricanes form, the same movement of the air particles, they go out, and then they come back down and around. But you have, ooh, she's an artist. You have some other cool things happening. You have rain bands forming. So within the movement of the air particles, you have other systems of rain. These are connected. I'm the next Van Gogh. So sometimes you'll even have these rain bands form. You'll have separate thunderstorms moving throughout the hurricane. It's crazy. Another cool thing, you talked about the movement of wind, right? Yeah, well, they need wind to move forward, but they also need wind to form the eye. So the eye is the center of the hurricane. The center of the hurricane is really, really calm. Sometimes there's a few clouds over it. Sometimes it's sunny. But within this is our eye wall. At the eye wall, winds can be over 200 miles an hour. That's fast, Colette. You are fast, but you're not that fast. The whole turn of the hurricane, it's because of the Coriolis effect. Yeah, so imagine air's just moving straight, right? But it's not. Because the Earth is a sphere and it's actually wider at the equator, you'll actually have a curving of wind. Even though it's moving straight, it naturally curls. That's true, Colette. In North America, your hurricanes are going to be counterclockwise. But if you go south of the equator, they're actually going to be clockwise. Thanks, Colette. So hurricanes are going to have this movement of wind and these smaller rain bands. It's amazing and scary at the same time. The Coriolis effect works like this. So the planet is rotating and it's wide. So I'm going to try and rotate wide, and I'm going to let go of my shoe when I'm in line with this tree, okay? I'm not going to spin tight like to make myself dizzy, but I'm going to try and, so I'm rotating, I let go. And if you see, because of my rotation, I'm really dizzy. But because of my rotation, the shoe didn't actually hit the tree. It went a little to the side. Cool, huh? So we went through Hurricane Irma last Monday, and at one point it was gonna be a Category 4. Hurricane Irma took some crazy turns. It was one of the most confusing trackings I've ever done. I used to track hurricanes for fun as a child. By the time I got here, it was actually a Category 1, thank goodness. And so I kind of went out periodically. I went in the evening to see how the winds were picking up, how the rain was coming in. And then I was gonna wake up Monday morning early and film for you guys, but we slept through it completely. Colette usually wakes up in thunderstorms. She didn't wake up at all. I completely slept through it, and I woke up and it was sunny and breezy, and there was still damage though. So luckily our apartment was fine. We lost power for like 3 seconds. No branches fell on us. But around our neighborhood, just across the street, we had trees falling down. Our pond, where we see the goose and the birds, was flooded. So I have a few videos from that. Well, let's leave them, okay? Just let them walk. Yeah. So the winds are about 20 miles an hour now. And my umbrella keeps getting pushed up. Can't imagine 90 miles an hour. Just a light rain, a lot of wind. You know, it's not that bad. It feels like North Texas in the fall. Yeah. Oh, hi. Colette, look at the pond. What happened? The pond's super big. I know. Okay, hey, no bark. Good girl. Look at that. Colette, we're in a hurricane. Can you tell it, Colette? Tell it to stop being so windy. Aww. Yeah, let's go inside. Oh no, my umbrella did that don't do these in videos, but because we have had Hurricane Irma, Hurricane Harvey, such devastation in the United States, in Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave in the description section below some good links for you to donate if you want to, if you can. You're not pushing anyone, but if you want to donate to help out humans, animals, I'll leave the links for some foundations and places that are going to give the most money to the actual people that were affected. Hurricanes require at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 80-degree water in order to form. And scientists, while there have been other storms within history that have devastated countries and continents, and yeah, you can sit by me. Come on, sit. That have devastated people and lives. While that's happened, it is definitely, it's happening at a faster rate. And we've had polar vortexes and hurricanes, cyclones, fracking has caused earthquakes. So every little action that we have does impact our planet. So I want to kind of give you guys some links down below on how you guys can change your actions to help the climate in a positive way. Maybe over time, if enough people get together and change their behavior, the oceans could, you know, start cooling. It'll take a lot, but it's little actions from us that really make a difference. So links for that will be down below. I'll probably make some fun videos of that. And even like if you want to change on a bigger impact, voting and writing to your congressman on calling them, trying to get them to convince them to vote a certain way. Hi. Very serious discussion here. Getting them to vote a certain way, to always put the environment first, because the environment is going to affect everyone. So to make the most good, we gotta help our planet out, right, Colette? So now we need a question of the week, you know? Okay, Colette, what is your favorite season, or what's your favorite weather or season? So mine is spring, fall, kind of that cool, but I hate the cold, and a little bit of rain. That's what I like because it's the most fun for me. Your favorite weather season? Yeah, you like the snow. You did. Colette's a snow dog. With that, thanks for watching. If you want to follow our fun journeys, hit that subscribe button down below. We also have a Twitter. It's at Allie and Coco Sci, and an Instagram, which is at Allie and Coco Sci Show. And you can also find us on Facebook. It's just Allie and Coco Science Show. And if you want to be notified, hit that notification bell down below, and you'll be notified when we put up new videos. I try and get one out every weekend. If you learned something new or you like cute puppies, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below, what's your favorite weather or season? So with that, thanks guys, have an amazing day. We did find out during the hurricane, our flashlight that we got has a laser pointer, and Colette loves it. Oh no, Coco, there it goes. Look. She knows it's coming from me because if I turn it off, she barks, or she cries at me, or she stares at me all day to get to turn on. There it goes, Colette. I turn off. Okay, there it goes. We do this for hours. It's fun. It doesn't